Akili, 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 akili.
Boop-de-doo! Flip 1, flip 2. I just love to count with you. Let's go!
Let us fold the cloth and let us count. Let us fold the cloth and let us count. Hold that, I hold this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, we did it! Let us fold the cloth and let us count. Let us fold the cloth and let us count. Hold that, I hold this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, we did it!
Let us fold again and let us count. Let us fold again and let us count. Fold it and press it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, we did it! Let us fold again and let us count. Let us fold again and let us count. Fold it and press it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, we did it! Let us fold again and let us count. Let us fold again and let us count. Fold it and press it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, we did it! Akili!
Help your toddler strengthen their mind with Akili's Find the Pair game. By trying to match picture cards, your toddler will improve their observation skills and develop persistence. Designed with kids in mind, Find the Pair is the perfect game to keep your child entertained while developing new skills. With 8 levels of difficulty, your child will never get bored and will always have new challenges to learn from. Plus, no reading or language skills are required to enjoy the game. Download Find the Pair for free today on the Play Store. Learn and play with Akili!
Hello, friends! Subscribe to learn letters, numbers, colors, songs,